सर्व पाप हरे
सर्व पाप हरे सर्व पाप हरे
सर्वानंदमयी
सर्वानंदमयी सर्वानंदमयी
सर्वरक्षा स्वरूपिणी
सर्वरक्षा स्वरूपिणी सर्वरक्षा स्वरूपिणी
सर्वेप्सित फलप्रदे
सर्वेप्सित फलप्रदे सर्वेप्सित फलप्रदे.
After the Adhara Swarupa, then other quality of universal mother and physical mother is coming. Sarva Papa Hare. Papa. What is Papa? Punya Papa. We have a list of actions which are termed as Papa. Papa is that kind of action which puts you down. As simple as that. If you are depressed, getting depression is also a papa because you are born as an Ananda Swarupa, because next word is Sarva Anandamai. Falling down. Papa comes because of Ajnana. Ajnana is Papa. How am I going to come out of this Papa? Just recite the name of God. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Frequent intervals. Recite the name of God. The sound of the syllables coming from the selected words connected to the God will protect you from the ajnana and removes the papa. And she protected us from the papa. When I am a child, my mother protected me. Yesterday we talked about that. Now, she's protecting me through every Shastra, every Guru's pravachana. We are listening. Implementation is lacking. Not respecting the nature is also a papa. Like I told you, spitting on the ground. Is it not papa? You spit here and go to the puja room and say, Bhudevim Rakshamam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Trim Hrim Trim Kamale Kamalaliye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Trim Om Mahalakshmi Namah Bhuvaneshwariye Namah. What is this? Not respecting the nature and disrespecting the creation. He is bad, she is bad. He is of a different caste. She created varnas, she created asrama dharmas just for the discipline, but not to distinguish between you and your brother and your sister. They are also children of the mother. Disrespecting the other creation, not only human beings. We look down on animals. We look down on insects. We can kill any cockroach just like that. That is papa. Not following the ashrama dharma is also a papa. If you are married, you need to do justice to those duties which are expected from you as a wife or as a husband. Ashrama dharma. You cannot get married and say, I'm interested only in God. My life is dedicated to God. This samsara is not for me. I don't feel like enjoying anything. Then why did you marry? You didn't marry. You're forgetting the fact. She got you married. She. You need to respect that ashrama dharma. Not moving away. To be frank with you, I'm sorry if I'm hurting you. Divorce is also a papa. You promised before Agni. Dharmecha, ardhecha, kamecha, nati charabi. Come whatever it may be. In my childhood, I never heard about that. Respecting of the promises made before one of the natural elements. is our duty. There is a story. Parvati asks Parameshwara. Again, don't ask me God has a form or not. These discussions, samvadas, they gave us so much knowledge. So they have been created like that. They are Ardhanarishwaras. So this part is talking to this part. Says, they all say the Ganges is so pure and powerful. Anybody who takes a dip in the Ganges will be free from all the papa. This is a misnomer we have. If you take a dip in the Ganges, all the papas are gone. Okay, I do agree. But you have a responsibility of not contaminating the river again, coming back with papa again to take a dip. That itself becomes a papa. The Ganga Snana itself becomes a papa if you are not learning what is papa and try to stop your papa actions, sinful actions. Is it not so? We are forgetting that fact. Is it take a dip? That's all. I am pure. And you do whatever you want? Shastra doesn't allow. This story rightly opens our eyes. So Parvati asked Parameshwara, is it true that all the people who are taking a dip in the Ganges are purified? I will show you. So Parvati and Parameshwara disguise themselves as old couple. And Parvati keeps her old husband's head on her lap, asking everybody, my husband is going to leave the body pretty soon. I cannot get up. Can anybody go to the Ganges and bring some water to us? This couple are not neat and tidy to look at. Disgusting personality, disgusting attire. They wantonly had that attire. That was a Parvadina festival. No. We are in a hurry. I have to take a dip. If I take care of you, that muhurta is over. So people are rushing to take a dip in the Ganges. Nobody is carrying this old man, Shiva. Then a dacoit, a thief comes. Amma, I don't know anything. Can I bring the water from the Ganges and offer to your husband? She says, Parvati wants to test him again. He says, no, not everybody can put. Only those people who have not committed any sin can put the water in my husband's mouth. Tell me about you. He says, Amma, I don't know who you are. I'm a dacoit. I killed so many people. I never did any punya. All papas only. If at all I have done any punya, this is the punya I am doing. That also I am going to offer to your husband. Can I put the water? Then Parvati Parameshwara appear before the dacoit. This is Sarva Papare. Transformation should come. By doing puja, you can get punya. But papa will be compressed. The papa karma can be compressed only by seva. In Gurudwaras, you see, they go into the kitchen, make so many chapatis, they brush their shoes of the people who are coming to the, Gurudwara. The seva bhavam should be there. We also go to the temple, directly go and then do namaskar and take the prasadam and come back. Do some seva somewhere, at least. Seva is the only way to compress our sinful action, which might have committed by us knowingly or unknowingly. Anajnatam yadajnatam. Surrender to her and she will remove. Not just by following certain rituals. And then, when the papa is removed, when the vyadhi is removed, disease is removed, sinful thoughts and sinful actions are removed, then comes Sarvanandamayi. Anandamayane. You'll be in a blissful state. Previously, you are running behind Vishayanandam. Getting a job, I get happiness. Vishayanandam. Manushyanandam. Marrying a girl or a boy whom I like. Manushyanandam. But you never bothered about Swatmanandam. Even though she told in her Lalita Sahasranamam, Swatmanandala Vibhuta Brahmadhyananda Santati. Arey Baba, enough of this Ananda outside. This is all dependency. Enjoy within yourself without the necessity for any other person. That is why in Navavarna Archana, 64 upacharas are there. There is one upachara which says, Aim Hrim Srim Anandollasa Vilasa Hasam Kalpayami Namah. We take jasmine flowers, white. White denotes purity. Jasmine flowers, handful of, and then recite, Aim, smile on your face. Don't ever do the puja with a grumpy face because she is Ananda Swarupini. Smile on your face. That is why in Ganapati Sloka, Shuklam Bharadaram Vitnum Jajivarnam Jaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet.